Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So I have the Forever Dipped subscription box, Bring May Flowers. This is her first subscription box, I do believe. All I've done is pulled it out of the bag. I haven't even taken the bubble wrapping off or anything, so let's go ahead and do that. So here's the box. It's actually pretty tiny. Like, here's my hand all the way covering it. It's really cute. I really like the dusty rose color to it, and the cover photo for it is really nice. You have the beautiful tulips, the nice wood background, and her brand Forever Dip subscription, Bring May Flowers. So let's go ahead, open this little box up. This box is so cute, you guys. I think I'm really going to keep it and try to store stuff in it. So, nicely packaged. It's very cute. It even has the matching tissue paper. It says, "Thank you for your support at Forever Dipped." And then up in the box lid, we have Bring Mayflower subscription box, which includes 3 dips that are 0.25 ounce size jars, 3 swatches, 1 decal card, 1 cuticle oil that is 0.5 ounces, and 1 fun nail tool. So I know if you guys are following her Facebook page or her Instagram, I know that there was kind of a spoiler, but I saw the spoiler. I know what the colors look like inside, but I still wanted to get it and open it up on camera. Packaging is, oh look, she gave us dried flowers. Oh, that's so cute. I have yet to try to put on dried flowers, but I'm so excited to try it. She labeled it as Flower Power. So pretty. I can't wait to try this. So then we have some water decals with flowers as well. This is a great box for Mother's Day nails. So pretty. We have her 3 swatches. There's a pink, a yellow, the yellow has some shimmer to it, and a solid green. So pretty. So I really like that she included swatches. I'm still going to swatch them on camera. I only am going to do that because I just like to get a feel for the powders myself, and the only way to do that is by using them yourself. So then we have her card with her social media handling. I will link all this down in the description box. We have some information. You can pause and read if you want. And it actually has information on the colors. So, Jasmine Light Smoky Yellow Shimmer with a Spark. Peony, is that how you guys pronounce that? Peony? I always pronounce it weird. Peony. A Vibrant Pink, and Eucalyptus, a Minty Green Shimmer. She gave us a little mini buffing block. That's so cute. I love that. And then we have cuticle oil in a dropper bottle. This dropper bottle is really cute, actually. And this is cucumber. I'm going to put this, I'm going to open this and give it a smell. I just put on cuticle oil, but I might have to do it again. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Her scents are really homey to me. I don't know how else to explain it. It just smells like, I don't know, you know how you walk in grandma's house and that just smells like home? Like she's been cooking desserts or something, or dinner, and it's just her whole house just smells like home. That's what her scents remind me of. They smell so good. They're not too strong or too weak. They're just perfect. So then we have the 3 dip powder jars with blue lids. And she also customized the top labeling. So we have eucalyptus, jasmine, if my camera will focus, jasmine. And again, tell me how to pronounce this, you guys. Is it peony? Is that how you pronounce that flower, peony? And then the cute noodles. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this box and figure out how to use it for storage or something, because it's too cute. It's too cute. Okay, so let's have a look at what the colors look like in the jar. Very vibrant pink. Wow, I can't speak at all. Then eucalyptus. And jasmine. Okay, so like I said, I am going to swatch these. I want to show you guys really quick. I have a glitter by her called Badass. And I think this glitter would go really well with the 3 colors from the subscription box. It has the greens, the yellows, the pinks, and it's very springy. Okay, let's go ahead and start the first layer of these colors. We'll start with Peony, if that's how you pronounce it. I always feel like I pronounce it wrong. Peony? Peony? Tell me. So not like I was expecting anything different, because all the powders I've ever used by her has been really smooth and it just applies great. Same thing with this one, it was so good. Okay, first layer of Eucalyptus. Really pretty spring green, and it does have some shimmer in there. Okay, first layer of Jasmine. This one has some really pretty shimmers that you don't really see until the light hits them, and then it's almost like, I don't know how to describe it. It's almost like fairy-like. It's just, I don't know. It's very iridescent, maybe is the word. And again, it's just right when that light hits it, it's just so pretty. It just reminds me of like a fairy garden. It's so pretty. Second layer of Peony. Really good coverage. There's the second layer. Second layer of Eucalyptus. There's the second layer. The liquids I use for swatching is being really weird. It's like pushing the powder in all weird ways and not drying very good. Might be switching liquids. And second layer of Jasmine, and after I swatch the second layer, I'm going to skip swatching the third layer, and I'll come back once it's activated and filed so we can do top coat time and get a better and more close-up look at these colors when they're finished. So there's the second layer of Jasmine. Again, it has a very pretty shimmer to it. Here is Peony. Eucalyptus. And Jasmine. So for $23, I do feel like this is a really good deal. It was free shipping, and the shipping was pretty fast. I ordered this on Saturday, I believe, so skip Sunday because the mail doesn't run. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday, I just got it, so I feel like that's pretty fast. I don't know if this box is still available or if it's sold out already, but I will leave the links to her website, her Facebook, her Instagram, all down in the description box, so please don't forget to check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!